Hey, let's try to do something crazy. I discovered this new feature in the new Copilot. Maybe it was there before, but I just discovered it. So I'm gonna ask Copilot to create an HTML page, and I'm just gonna give him you know, build a game, Space Invaders, in an HTML page. And I said with the targets being spiders in red, the gun being a yellow smiley, and the bullets shot being green. Make this page downloadable. Simple ask, we'll see what comes out of it. So you'll see it's not doing everything, at least when I tried it, everything I'm asking, but the result is pretty impressive. So now I have this, so I can download the page, I can open the page, and here my result. So apparently here it shots without me having to shot, and I use my arrows to move left and right. But you can see that it does an amazing job. The first try, there was no smiley, there were no spider, but I could move space. So I can probably define how I want it, being more specific. But as you can see, without any coder experience, I've just rebuilt the Space Invader. Even if it's not perfect, I think it's just amazing. Just amazing. So that's my first thing. But now let's try to apply that to um, work experience. So what you can do is asking to represent a graphic. So let's try that. So I'm unboxing that. I don't guarantee the result here, but I'm going to try. Please create a HTML page to represent, or to, let's say, a downloadable HTML page to represent, to visualize dynamic histogram chart with the criticality of product usage coming from this file with dynamic filters on the user types coming from this file. So I have a survey that I made on forms that I downloaded. I hope I can find it. Here it is. And let's try it. Let's be crazy. So here I wanted, the histogram to be dynamic. I can do that in Excel, of course, but here I'm asking more. I'm asking to create an HTML page so I can filter down the result of the histogram. So let's see if I was precise enough. Oh, okay, so now I have the link. It's downloading. I can open. Okay, not super good. So I have my filter. So if you see, I can filter. Okay, so it's a little bit weird. Um, but I can filter down. Okay, so probably my instructions were not correct enough, but you saw that I was able to, filter dynamically. He didn't understand uh, the product usage criticality. Um, so I should take a better look at the at the survey and name it correctly. But as you can see, you can apply that to your data, and you can have filtering and dynamic filtering, and you just need to try what you want to do. I'm not sure how far you can go, but it's pretty impressive. Hope this was insightful. No, sorry. The last thing I want to show is if I don't say download HTML page. So let's do another thing here. Let's say create an HTML page, or let's say code, maybe code to play Pac-Man. Very simple. So this is what I wanted to show. It generates a code here. So it shows a preview of the HTML, but if it's a small window, it's not working. That's why. So here I have the code, but that's why I added please create an HTML page from this code. Let's see. So this feature where you can preview your code, but for whatever reason, when it's too large, it doesn't show. So probably creating a banner will work. That's why I asked to create a downloadable page. So now I can open the file and I have my Pac-Man, but apparently it doesn't do a good job on Pac-Man, a better job on on Space Invader. But you see the spirit here. It's pretty powerful. So just to let you know, with Copilot you can create code, and you can ask to create a page if the code doesn't show, or the execution of the code doesn't show here in preview. Then you can say, hey, create a page to download, and then you have the page where it embeds the code. And so you can, play with your imagination. Hope this was insightful.